What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This video is really gonna be a voiceover because I'm tired, but I wanted to review this foundation and primer and lashes real quick. You feel me? So this is the Beauty Blender Bounce foundation, and it's in the color 4.15W. I also got a sample of the Cover FX mattifying primer, and I got the Sephora Amore lashes. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. Get into them, yes honey, these are so beautiful. But without further ado, let's dive into the video. I have very oily skin, especially now in, like, it's not even summer, but down here in the south it feels like summer. But since it's been so hot and humid, like, my foundation does not last on my face. So I wanted to try this primer just to see if I could find a holy grail primer that's mattifying, that actually live up to the name. You feel me? So let's see how this goes.
Okay, this primer goes on very smoothly on the skin, kind of like silicone, and it has a very light fragrance to it, so I don't see it irritating anybody's skin. You can see I'm struggling to I'm struggling to turn the pump on because you have to push it, kind of like a on switch. So you have to push it, and look at this, y'all. This foundation blends into my freaking skin. I love it. The only thing is that it's not transfer resistant. I wish it was though. Y'all see this face? Get into it, because this face is flawless. You hear me? Like, when I added that little bitty ass pump on my face and I saw the coverage, I was like, hallelujah, thank you Lord of mercy, because y'all, I was floored. Y'all, one difference between a brush and a beauty blender is that the beauty blender tends to soak in the product, because when you think about it, it's nothing but a sponge, and what the sponges do, they soak in product. That's why you wet your beauty blender to make it like expand as much as possible, and then it soaks in a lot less product than if it was dry. Huh? Bet you didn't know that, huh?
Alright, so as you can see, I had to use more foundation on the beauty blender side because, I don't know, the beauty blender, like, it soaks up a lot of the foundation. You did? Like, they both look flawless though. I feel like the beauty blender side is more even than the brush side, although the brush side is not bad. So I'm just gonna stipple that all over my face with the beauty blender just to even it out. gonna use my Milk blush. Oh my god, that thing is dirty. I'm so embarrassed. Not really though. It's in my makeup bag, and my makeup bag got like eyeshadow everywhere, so that's to be expected. Let me just put it on my lid real quick.
If you're more reserved about wearing lashes, these lashes I feel is perfect because it's not too dramatic, it's still natural looking, and it just brings every look together. Try it out, let me know how you like it.
That's my Morphe-trippy. Alright, so final thoughts on the foundation. It looks really good. It's like a very, very good color match. For me, like it's damn near perfect in my opinion. It might look different on camera because my foundation always looks different on camera for some reason. And it's because of the lighting and everything, but in person it looks pretty damn good, like very good. As far as like transfer resistant, this foundation is not transfer resistant because like I got foundation all over my nails. Like if I touch my face like this, there's foundation all over my nails. So if you try to hug somebody, I am pretty sure your whole face will be on that person's shirt, and that's not cute. That's why I like my double wear, the Estee Lauder double wear, because then the double wear actually doesn't transfer, so I like wearing it. I don't know why I'm sounding so low, but it's because every time I try to talk higher, like my voice cracks because it's so late, and you know I'm old as shit. So yeah, the foundation is nice. I like it. The primer, I mean, my skin is matte right now, like, which is crazy because the primer is a gel primer and it went on like silicone on my face. So I would give it a few hours, but it's late as shit at night, so I'm about to wash this off after I take some cute ass pictures for the gram and for Snapchat. But yeah. Also, what do you guys think about my hair? Like I recorded myself doing my hair, so I'm gonna upload that video too, probably like sometime in the week. And yeah, like I'm loving the whole look. I love the purple eyes, you know, I love the lips, I love the foundation, everything. The hair with the foundation, bruh, I'm feeling myself. So let me let y'all go to sleep, you feel me? Like if you're watching this in the morning, watch another video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below letting me know your opinion. Have you ever tried this foundation before? How do you like it? Do you think like it does it last all day, or is it like an oily mess in like 2-3 hours? Let me know. That's it, y'all. That's all I have for y'all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, give me a big thumbs up, you dig, and come again. Mwah. Bye.